Well, my friends, we are back. After a little bit of sabbatical, I took a little bit of time off because, I just needed it. Things are cooling off anyway. And we did set all the barriers that we have expected for the short term. There was not much more to update, just then continuation of everything that we have been setting out. But right now might be a crucial point, a crucial turning point, and I wanted to release a video about that. Also, you see that I'm wearing a Skydive Spa t-shirt. This is just to express my support for a recent fatality that happened there. Sadly enough, things happen in extreme sports, and I know this has nothing to do with this, but as a skydiver, I do have to, at least I do feel, something when these things happen. So yeah, all put together, let's dive into the charts. Let's see if this shit is going to crash to the bottom, go to zero, or if we are breaking out to the heavens. What is gonna happen? Let's find out together. All right. Welcome back. Here we are. So let's have a look at what happened. So potentially, we did see some holding above the red line that we have set here. But as the price has been trying to hold, we could see RSI, the buying pressure dropping off and slowly capitulating to more selling pressure, and eventually the price range did break. We fell below what was supposed to, or what was hopefully going to be, our area of support. We tested the next area as a new area of support, fell through, and right now here is something actually really crucial in the making, because we are at a tipping point again. So why do I cover this? Not because this is where you need to long, this is where you need to short. No, this is one of these crucial areas that you want to learn to analyze and take the opportunity when it happens. Why? Because it's a very easy risk reward situation. Okay, so what is about to happen is that the RSI has been, let me zoom in over here. Let me zoom in so that you see a little bit more. So the RSI over here has been making higher highs one after the other. Both over here we do have a higher low, where on the price section we do have a lower low, so potential bullish divergence. And with already this higher high over here being placed, we are waiting again for this same area of potential support right now to be the tipping point for potential for potential support. So this was the area first, potential of resistance, area of support. Now it's resistance, and once it breaks above, Jesus, come on, god damn it. I hope you understand what I mean. So we are hoping, if the price is breaking above this, that we are going to be able to hold this area and keep building on the higher lows. So how do you play this? My opinion, if you think about such a situation, the things that are already set up and only waiting for the confirmation to happen, it only makes sense that you would, in the first place, start thinking about a breakout trade over here at the 36,000 whatever it is. It's depending on your exchange, but the area here where the price has tipped, this would be your first area of for a conditional long entry. As soon as the price breaks above it and is able to close above it, you should be thinking about getting your first entry at a long position. And why is that? Is because it's so easy to risk manage. The worst case scenario is that actually once we break above this area, the next area of resistance is going to become this one over here. Of course, we are going to find some bouncy bounces, but once we have initiated this move, this area over here would become your stop loss. So look at the risk reward area between what you could possibly make and possibly lose. This is a sound opportunity to try and take advantage of if you are not in a position yet. Okay, if you are already in a position, then this does not apply to you. I'm sorry, I'm just talking out of my butt, and maybe you should be watching another channel. No, I'm just kidding. This is just for fun. This is for entertainment purposes, and also a little bit educational, making you understand a little bit how you should be thinking as a day trader, as a swing trader, as an investor, all that good stuff. So I hope this was helpful for the short term, a little bit of a potential opportunity. And then of course, you know, if you did play this opportunity or you missed it, then again, this red line over here, the bottom here, this would be your breakout trade opportunity for a short, because if this capitulates, then yeah, we are in for a world of hurt. Potentially is going to drop a little bit to the 32,000, 31,000, and then bounce up a little bit more, maybe re-enter short over here, because this is going to be ugly if this thing breaks. So yes, make or break for Bitcoin. Which is it going to be? Elon Musk, please tell us. We need some advice, because yeah, otherwise we're only left with technical analysis and a little bit of you know, common sense. But all right, so I'm gonna wrap this up for today. Let's have a look quickly at the dollar, what the Dixie is doing. And Dixie is also it's making an attempt, but I think it's going to be a feeble attempt. Maybe there are going to be areas of support, but just like the situation in Bitcoin, once it takes off, this becomes your stop loss. So breaking down below the 89.55, let's call it, on the Dixie, and it's in for a world of hurt. As long as this holds, then this could be a constructive area where potentially a little bit of buying up and volume starts to come in. You know, good stuff coming in. All right, cool. So let's have a look finally at the traditional markets. And traditional markets just keep surprising. They keep surprising, but it starts, guys, it starts to look exhausted. It could keep going a little bit more, but a correction is in order. It will come. And my bet would be for the correction, same thing, you know, breaking the local low, the past low, and there you have it, correction injection of the correction, because why? Because we have a lower low forming on the RSI. We do have a confirmed lower low than on the price action, and you know, the one leads after the other. Cool, beautiful. Bitcoin dominance took a dumper. Nothing unexpected. Oh, this is the daily chart. Let's have a look at okay, over here. Yeah, beautiful. So potentially is there a little bit of a chance of recovery? I think it's not gonna happen in the immediate. I think for now the dominance is a little bit too much under pressure. Trying to build a case, but as we know, as we have seen in the past few months, looking at RSI and divergences on the dominance is not as effective and reactive as we want it to be. Price action for a single targeted pair is very, very strong and really works well. Once you start to dilute it with other factors like different coins, different markets all put together, I think these reads could work a little bit, but they are not as strong or as dominant as you would like to have on, for instance, the Bitcoin USD pairing. Cool, but nonetheless, I think for now the dominance is trying to make a little bit of a case. There is obviously a little bit of bottoming out here. Let's have a look at the higher time frames. The higher time frames are, so you see it's starting to make a case, but I think it's going to take a little bit longer, and at least we need to hold these ranges between 39 above 39.75. That's I think this one is the crucial area. But yeah, staying in this range is actually not a bad thing, because altcoins are in flavor. Altcoins are in flavor, guys. Let's have a look at this beautiful little altcoin market that we have over here. IOTA doing not too shabby. But oh, EOS took a dump. EOS is yeah, EOS USD pairing not too good, but all this is actually logic, because it makes sense, because they are influenced by what Bitcoin is doing on the USD pairing. On the other hand, actually it looks like a flat market. Let's look at this. Oh, EOS had a little bit of a time to shine. What is this? Let's have a quick look. Not that I want to be shilling EOS, but I do like the project. The thing is with EOS is that they just haven't found the right use case for this type of digital infrastructure. They have a very specific way of logging things on the blockchain, and that's why, you know, the traditional use cases actually don't apply for EOS. I was hoping for DeFi to move over to EOS, but it doesn't work like that, because you need to own RAM on the blockchain to be able to store tokens on a protocol. So yeah, you know, no, that's not gonna work, but they are going to find something. I'm pretty sure. It's a beautiful project. Now let's have a look at another one that I really like, and that would be BNB. And BNB is what is it looking like? Oh my god, I think BNB could be taking another dump if this area over here, if the which one is it? The if the 377 exponential doesn't hold, if this one doesn't hold, then I think BNB, Binance Coin, could be taking a bit more of a dumper. And that is on a Bitcoin pairing, of course. So yeah, let's see what happens. On the BTC side of things, guys, we do have the ranges that we want to keep our eyes on, still within this range, but potentially if you want to take a chance at a little bit of a short, then a little bit of a long, I'm sorry, no short, not just yet. Then this would be your opportunity. I hope you understand why, so that in the future you will be able to see these opportunities and grasp them the right way with the right risk management, because it's not worth losing all your money over. All right, thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Hope this was helpful, and of course, you know, stay safe, stay COVID-free, and have a very productive whatever it is you do. Bye, guys. Bye.